Hey guys, Brad with Twin Peaks here. I just want to chat real quick. I got called out by a builder this morning. Basically, this house was out of level, and they asked us to come in and put a laser level on it, confirm that some of their adjustments to the floor framing has been done well, and that things are in level. So I'll just show you. So these homes here, these are these contemporary homes with lots of flat roofs, and they're open concept. And you know what happens with these homes is that um, they're so open concept that we have these big long joists, and if the framers aren't on their A game, floors can be at a level. And in this case, the house was quite a bit out of level, so the family had to move out. So they had to remove cabinets, they had to remove hardwood flooring, and they had to adjust some of the structural framing. So the point of all this is, you know, builders are very aware of some of the challenges that they're facing, both in terms of design of homes and also just general workmanship. So we are getting contacted by builders and also homeowners to do these inspections. It's a mutual respect we have for each other. We both have a job to do. You know, the builders have to get these homes up. They have to get them up quick. You know, obviously we have a housing shortage, but it is our job as inspectors to really verify that everything that's being done is being done well, and that, you know, whoever's buying the house, they're spending a lot of money, and so we just want to make sure that everything has been done well to protect their financial investment. All right, so if you need a home inspection, either on an older home or a brand new home, you know who to call. Call Twin Peaks. We got your back. All right, we'll talk to you in a bit.